quick little look around. This is the first pool. It makes like a horseshoe. Right there is where there's weddings, and then you have straight back here is the lobby, and then that is the building we are in, and off to the right is the water park with the slides and kind of like a splash area with smaller slides. And you have the first swim up bar mermaids right there, and then you have this infinity edge pool going down into another pool, and then you see further out another pool, and then the beach and the ocean. Over here, down the next level where this water feature waterfall, there's a swim up bar under that waterfall. This pool that we're in up here that's shaped like a horseshoe seems to have more kids, mostly chill, but definitely some activities and kids. And then you have this one down here that's pretty quiet. Like I said, that's the grotto, another swim-up bar under the waterfall. And then there's another swim-up bar out at this pool over here with an awesome view of the ocean. Then you have the Preferred Club beach bar out there, and you have the regular beach bar out this way. Also, the dolphins are out here. We swam with dolphins yesterday, and they are out right there on the beach. Very, very cool.